Hey everyone, Vinayak here. I had the Me 360 camera for quite some time now and it worked fabulously. Yeah, worked. One drop and the lens in the front of the camera shattered. Now this is just a foggy mess. It doesn't focus on anything now. As a replacement, I got the ActivePixel V8, which seems to have the same features as the Me 360. So let's try it out. I have here the ActivePixel V8, which is a wireless camera with the ability to turn 360 degrees. You can use it for home surveillance, baby monitoring, elder care, that is if you want to have an eye on your elderly parents, pet care, to know what your pets are up to, and of course if you have storage areas, monitor them. These cameras are meant for the indoors, as it is not weather sealed. We have apps for both Apple and Android ecosystems, which is the ICC app. Most features are similar as other IP cameras like night vision, mobile notification, motion detection, Wi-Fi, and offline recording. The extra features are 360-degree movement and the two-way audio communication. Let's check the camera out, shall we? There you go, it's protected using foam both on the top and bottom. The revolving camera head is protected on all sides with a large piece of foam. This camera is quite light. We have the ActivePixel branding in the front. Let's peel off the protective film over the camera. Looks nice. The holes on the top face of the camera is the microphone and we have a speaker grill below. We also have a screw mount which attaches to the included mounting stand, or you could also use a tripod. On the back we have an Ethernet connector for a hardwire connection to the camera. Next to that is the microSD memory card slot. The small hole is a reset button and a micro USB power port. These are the other contents of the box: a quality check pass slip, micro USB cable which is used to power the camera, charging brick, screws. Here's the stand. It can be angled to almost any position and the screws are used to lock it in place. This central mount is where the camera would be attached. Then we have an instruction manual. Okay, that's all in the box. Now let's power it on and set it up. Using the ICC app, I added the new camera in, provided Wi-Fi credentials, and the app finds the camera. Done. Make sure to turn off mobile data or it could interfere with the installation process. Set a new password and you're ready. You can pan and tilt the camera using the app by tapping up, down, left and right. Basic settings, we have the name of the device, flip video feed horizontal and vertical, helpful when mounting the camera upside down. Device language, speed of rotation, sensitivity to light. This is mainly for night vision on how low the light should be before night vision IR LEDs turn on. Speaker volume, I turned this off all the way down as it kept saying something or the other. That was after I set it up. Alarm settings, set up how long it should record when motion is detected, what it should send to the memory card when an alarm is triggered, etc. Storage options, we have the option to add a microSD card for local recordings. I'm yet to add one, so it's showing no card here. You can use up to 128 GB capacity cards in this camera. Advanced settings, here we have the auto track option, which tracks any motion and moves the camera to follow. But you cannot have motion detection and auto track at the same time, as the auto track moves the camera head, so there's always motion. Save the settings and you can see the motion tracking in action. Quite smooth. We do have an option to increase the speed of the motion. I have installed the camera outside and here's how the tracking works. In the app, we have the options to view older recordings by date and time, take snapshots, etc. Okay, the IP camera works quite well. I would have liked a wider field of view, but this is fine as I can pan around and view a little bit more. I could have covered my entire garden if I could just have a wider field of view. Recordings are clear and compared to my earlier cameras, looks similar. Another feature I liked is that it can work with TinyCam, which is a boon as I can view multiple cameras on the app at the same time without having to open each camera's app for every feed. Night vision is also good. The problem is that the area is quite wide, but it's not meant for the outside, but it is working. Cloud storage is available and it's a paid service, so options are available via the app. If you need, you can start and stop recordings via the app manually. I wish I could record to a local NAS, but sadly this one cannot. The camera does need continuous power and can be used with a power bank, which can be attached as a battery backup. At Rs 2199, it's a great IP camera, ticks most of the boxes on what the IP camera should do. Tiny cam option is a great thing at this price point. So that's it. If you have any questions, do write into me at tech@talkingstuff.net or WhatsApp me at 96525 78833. Also make sure to like, subscribe and also hit the notification bell to be notified when new videos are added. Thank you for watching and see you all next time.